Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert text to table right here in this Microsoft Word document here. So I'm going to take you step by step through it. If you stick to the end, you'll be quite surprised how this thing will work. Alright, so what we wanted is the tab key on your keyboard you're going to use. So first you're going to type, you're going to put in some random stuff. Now as soon as you notice I type it, I press the tab key. You're going into the middle right there. I'm going to press the tab key again. Notice it gone over there. And then I'm going to press enter. Now I press enter, I go all the way down there, right? So I'm going to put something again. We're going to press the tab key. You notice it gone back right over there. I'm going to press the tab key again. You notice you press the tab key, right? And that's where it actually. Then we're going to press the enter key. You notice it reach right down there. You press the tab key, that's exactly where you reach again. You press the tab key again. Alright, so that's exactly where you reach again. Good, and then I'm going to press enter key again. Enter it right down here. Press the tab key again. Right, press the tab key again. Good, so now we're finished type. The next thing that I wanted to do definitely is to block the text. Right, we want to block the text, so we're going to block everything right here. Notice we block everything right here. So when you block everything right here, so next thing you want to do is to come up to the top here to insert. You're going to click on the word insert. Now when you click on the insert tab, you're going to see table. You're going to click right here at the pointer, that's a table. You notice this is what show up. If you notice right here, say convert text into table. You're going to click it. You notice you bring up this dialog box right here. You can actually put the cursor on it, right, and actually move it up and down. Right here, notice you find tab, so you can change up the amount of rows you want to put it. Right, fix the column, auto and all that. You notice right here, auto fit to content, auto fit to Windows. Right here, the paragraph tab and all that. But what we want to focus on right here is auto fit to Windows. I'm going to check in this little box. And when I finish, what do I pay attention to here? Finish, I press on OK. If you notice, this is how we convert text into table right here in our Microsoft Word document. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here, and if you learned something, share it, like, and also subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.